Today we're learning the chords and melody for Stitches by Shawn Mendes with on-screen tab and music notation. In the first half of this tutorial we're going to take a look at the chords, strumming and rhythm, and in the second half learn the melody. The verse section goes like this. So it's going to be 6 on the top string with your index finger, 6 on the third string with your second, and with your third or ring finger, 6 on the second string. Now in terms of finger picking, thumb on the top string, index either playing second and third simultaneously, or second index and second fingers on those strings. So it's going to be top, then play the second and third strings 4 times. Second chord, which is based around a G sharp major bar chord, is 4 on the top string, 5 on the third string, 4 on the second, using the same fingers in your strumming or picking hand. So top string, then the other strings 4 times. From the beginning, whilst keeping this in this position, which is a major chord shape, slide it up to the 9th fret, so your index finger is on the 9th, third finger on the 10th fret, string 3, second finger, 9th fret of string 2, and repeat the same pattern, top string once, the other strings 4 times. And then slide that shape down to the 2nd fret. So you've got 2 on the top string, 3 on the third, 2 on the second, same pattern, top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one last time. So this is repeated 4 times for the verse section, and for the pre-chorus you begin with the last chord of the verse, so it's 2, 3, 2, same pattern, top string, then the other 2 strings 4 times. And slide up to 4, 5, 4, which is the next chord. Then the first chord of the verse, which is based around an A sharp minor bar chord, so 6, 6, 6. And again, so 2 bars on this chord, back to the first chord, which is based around an F sharp major bar chord, 2, 3, 2. Then 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 6, then back to 4, 5, 4, and now on to the chorus section, which is going to require you to do some full bar chords. So the first one is based around an A sharp minor bar chord, so flatten your index finger on all 6 strings on the 6th fret, third finger is placed on the 8th fret of string 5 or second top string, fourth finger or pinky on the 8th fret of the 4th string, 4 up from the bottom or 3 down. Now the strumming is down, up, scratch, up, down, up, scratch, up. So to play a scratch chord, or whatever you want to call it, simply release some pressure off those fingers so they're resting on the strings, and simply just pick them. So down, up, then a down stroke on the scratch, then up, down, scratch, then an up stroke. If you can't quite get the hang of the scratch or muted notes in between, muted chords, just miss them out. So it'll go down, up, rest, up, down, up, rest, up, down, up, rest, up, down, up, rest, up. The second one is G sharp major. So slide those fingers down. So you're going to bar or flatten your index finger on the 4th fret of all 6 strings. Those two are going to be on the 6th fret. Then to convert this into a major chord, press down on the 5th fret with your second finger on string 3. Then it's C sharp major. This is an A string bar chord. What does that mean? So flatten your index finger on the inner 4 strings on the 4th fret, then flatten your 3rd or ring finger on the 6th fret of strings 2, 3 and 4, and repeat the same strumming. Then it's down to F sharp major. So remember the second chord shape. Just play it from the 2nd fret. So you've got 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Then for the second line of the chorus section, you repeat the same 2 chords as the first line. A sharp minor, G sharp major, but this time you're going to switch the last 2 chords around, so F sharp major, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, then finishing with C sharp major on the A string starting from the 2nd top. Now we're going to take a look at the melody, learning the verse, pre-chorus and chorus section. The first line or first phrase goes like this. So you've got 3, 1 on the 3rd string, 3 on the 4th string, 3, 1 on the 3rd, then 3, 1, 3 on the 4th. And the next phrase goes like this. One, 3 on the 4th string. And again. Once more. Then you've got 1 on the 4th string, 4 on the 5th string or 2nd top, 1 on the 4th, 4 on the 5th string. Okay, the third phrase or third line is identical to the first one. And the next phrase goes like this. So 4 on the 5th string, 1, 3 on the 3rd. Then you're going to do something called a pull-off between the 3rd and 1st fret on the 4th string. So play the 3rd and then simply flick off or force the string down, and it's going to produce a sound on the 1st fret if you do that. Double 1, 4 on the 5th string, then 3-1 with a pull off on the 4th, 1 on the 4th, 4 on the 5th string, 1 on the 4th, and back to 4 on the 5th string. And this is where the pre-chorus begins. So the first phrase or first line goes like this. So starting on the 3rd string, it's 1 and then 5 3s. Triple 5 sliding to 3. So double 3, sorry. Then 1 4 3s on the 3rd string. Then we're going to do what's called a double stop, where you play 2 notes at the same time. So it's 1 on the 2nd and 3rd, played 3 times. Then 2 on the 2nd, 3 on the 3rd, played twice. The next line of the pre-chorus goes like this. So it's going to be 5 lots of 3 on the 3rd, triple 5 to double 2 on the 3rd string with a slide to 3, 2 1 2 on the 2nd, 3 on the 3rd, and then 6 4 6 6 4 on the 2nd, 6 on the 3rd. And the first line of the chorus goes like this. Six on the 2nd, 4 on the 1st, 6 4 on the 2nd, sliding or doing a pull off between 6 and 4, 4 again, with a slide, 4 on the 2nd, 6 on the 3rd, then you're going to repeat the first phrase again, 6 on the 2nd, 4, 6 on the 3rd, and finally it's going to be this. So 3 5 6 on the 3rd string, 4 on the 1st, 6 on the 2nd, 4. Repeat this again, and that's it.